People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
Oh, I know you guys could see the smoke, but I wish you could smell the aroma that's going on right now. Oh man, that aromatic fruit blend. Whoo, that maple, that apple, and that cherry fruit blend from Pitboss wood pellets. Oh, it is amazing, guys. Wow, and not to mention, we got these ribs going on right now. So which means, guys, this is my first cook on the Pitboss Pro Series 850. Yes sir, this is my very first cook. So you guys are going to ride and take this journey with me, because we're going to show you step by step from A to Z of what these ribs are going to look like at the end. So stay tuned, because I'm excited and I know you guys are as well. So yes sir, follow me along, guys. Alright, so let's start the power up. And we're going to press to make sure we're on the smoke setting to start it up. And as always, we're going to open our lid. And what I'm going to do is remove the warming rack just so I can fit all my ribs in here, guys. And as always, as soon as you see the rolling smoke going through right here, guys, time to close our lid and crank our temperatures up. We're going to do 275 degrees today. Well, let's do 280, because there's no such thing as 275 on this Pitboss. So 280 is our target right here, guys. And make sure we set it, which I just forgot to do. So we're gonna do 280, guys. Bam. And we're just gonna wait for the temperature to come on up to temp and let that rock and roll for about good 15 minutes or so. And look at all that beautiful smoke, but that's the dirty smoke regardless. So we want to make sure we get a nice clear smoke, guys, after that. So all right, guys, it's almost time to rock and roll. As you can see, we've been fluctuating between 278 to 280, and now it's 279 back down to 278, and it's gonna go up to 280. Watch, 281 now. See? So let's take a look at our beautiful ribs. Man, they are sweating nicely. Look at that color. Oh man, it's our third rib. Ooh, baby, they're looking so good right now. We haven't done nothing to them but season them. Oh man, can't wait for the finished product, guys. So it's time to put these bad boys into here. All right, guys, it's been about a good hour at this point. Let's take a look at our ribs. Oh yeah, look at that mahogany color. Yes sir, look at that. Wow, they're looking, man, they're looking sexy. Whew, man, it's time to spritz them, guys, and that's a step we don't want to skip, because this is going to add moisture and it's going to add flavor, which means that the wetter the ribs are or any type of meat, it's going to absorb that beautiful barbecue smoke. And this is a step, like I said, you do not want to skip. Oh man, all right, these are looking phenomenal, guys. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish them up for the next couple of hours, and we're gonna wrap them up and then finish them off that way, guys. Woo, man, look at that.
Barbecue.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we got all three of our ribs wrapped up nice and tightly. So we're gonna finish cooking them, and then we're gonna let you see what they look like afterwards. Oh man, I can't wait. So stay tuned, guys, because this is gonna be some good eats at the end. So after 5.5 hours of cook, guys, this is what the remaining patties look like from a full hopper of 20 pounds. And I'm really pleased with it because it looks like it's about good 20-25% left. You know, and I'm really pleased with it. So it's a nice little slow burn. So I think they're got this low and slow method down, guys. So I'm very pleased with it. So I'm just gonna add some more pellets in here just to give it some more feel. And we're gonna see you back in the next clip. So there she is, guys. Hopefully you can see that real well. It looks amazing, smells amazing, and this is the vent tester. You want to make sure that your ribs are just right, meaning they're not breaking through. This is not restaurant quality, meaning they are not fall off the bone. They're going to have a little bite through, and that's the perfect rib that you want. Wow. So without further ado, let's get into this. So we're gonna slice right down the middle, guys. And this is smelling amazing. Oh yeah, take a look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. Oh man. Listen, the infused flavor that we did today, oh man. That Weber's, matter of fact, let me just show you. The Weber's KC seasoning. My favorite go-to for pork is the Cuisinart bourbon molasses. Of course, we're headed with a little bit of agave along with some butter, and we use some little bit of apple cider vinegar and applesauce mixing together and spritz it the entire time. Every single cook is going to be different, and every single cook is going to be with a lot of variables. So my cook took about 7.5 hours to complete, with a little bit of 15 minutes over, just to sauce the ribs up that we have here, and along with the sauce to tack up and set up nicely, as you can see right here, guys. Man, it's phenomenal. That nice and tender, and we hit it with a little bit of moonshine barbecue sauce. Oh baby, that's gonna be some good stuff, guys. So enough talking, let's get to eating. Oh, I'm excited. Wow, look at that. Clean off the bone. Perfect. Has a good bite. Wow. Jeez. Take a look at that, guys. Still moist. Amazing. This is my first time making ribs on that pellet grill. There's nothing else to need to be said. We cooked it on 300 degrees for a few hours. Make sure we were looking for a particular color, which is that mahogany brown color. We pulled it off, wrapped it, added that love that we just talked about, the agave, the butter, a little bit of spritzing with the apple cider vinegar and the apple juice. Let it continue to cook till it got nice and tender, and voila, this is the finished product, guys. Oh man, this is what I'm talking about. So guys, get you some ribs, get to that pellet grill and smoke it, because this is my first cook on my first ribs on the Pitboss Pro Series 850. Until the next time, and I appreciate everybody watching this video. I salute you guys.